Hi everyone, Randy Swaty here, hoping to get you started with modifying a LANDFIRE Biophysical settings model in a way that better represents current conditions. In this, the third of 5 videos in the Modify Your Model series, we will work through our stage step model as an example, learning how to add and parameterize a new disturbance in one state. So there is an unintended consequence of suppressing all fires like we did in video 2. Sasquatch moves in. Or would that be Sasquatches? It turns out that this cryptic zooid hates replacement fires. We need to capture this in our model. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy by right-clicking the zero replacement fire scenario, right-click on definitions, and paste. Then we're going to rename it by right-clicking again, then typing something like Sask hates replacement fires. Something like that. I'm going to double click this and then describe what I'm about to do. Okay, I've documented what I'm going to do. I'll check the run control, looks good. Go to transition pathways, zooming by hitting the plus button at the bottom right corner of our screen. Then I will go into our late one close state and add in this new transition. We do that by clicking on the class cell at the bottom. It auto-populates with late one close. That's our current class. Then the wallowing results in a transition to the early one all. Since I don't have a wallowing transition type, I'm going to select wind, weather, stress and challenge you to figure out how you might add in a wallowing transition type. Totally possible. We've determined through years of research that there will be a 0.1 probability or a 100-year return interval for Sasquatch wallowing. During the wallowing, we get a total reset of the vegetation, so we're going to hit age reset. Also, through our extensive research, we've learned that they do not like it when the vegetation in this class is over 100 years old. So what I'll have you do is right-click on the header to add in the age max column. And we're going to type in 100. So this transition basically stops happening at year 100. Okay, I think we're all set. We'll close out of this pane. Check our initial conditions. They look good. Check our replacement fire is still at 0 as anticipated. Close out of this pane, highlight the scenario, hit the run button, save, and wait. Okay, great. We have a successful run as indicated by our green circle with the white check mark. I'm going to close this pane, then open up our chart and check things out. Okay. Just for a quick tour, zero replacement fire is blue, reference conditions sort of a burgundy red color. Green is change the fire in the shrub savanna class, and then Sask hates replacement fires in purple. So it looks like we had some changes. We have a little less late one closed than in the replacement fire, and everything else is about the same. All right, that gives us something to talk about. Thank you for participating in this tutorial, and we hope to see you back soon in video 4, adding a new state.